Welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating field of paleotempestology. Ever wondered how scientists know about hurricanes from centuries, even millennia ago? That's what paleotempestology is all about, the study of ancient storms. Our instrumental weather records only go back about 150 years, which is a blink of an eye in geological time. Paleotempestology gives us a much longer view, helping us understand long-term patterns of hurricane and tropical cyclone activity. So, how do scientists reconstruct these ancient storms? A key method involves looking at overwash deposits. Imagine a powerful hurricane. Its storm surge can carry sand far inland, depositing it in coastal lakes or marshes. These sandy layers stand out against the usual fine mud. Scientists drill cores, identify these storm layers, and then use techniques like radiocarbon dating to build a timeline of past storm events. Another clever way is by analyzing isotope ratios. Rain from tropical cyclones has a unique oxygen isotope signature. This signature can be trapped in cave formations called speleothems, like stalagmites, which grow layer by layer. Tree rings can also capture these isotopic clues. There are other methods too, like studying ancient beach ridges, marine microfossils in freshwater sediments, and even old historical documents like ship logs and diaries. What has all this ancient storm hunting revealed? Well, for one, storm activity isn't constant. There have been long periods, lasting centuries, with more hurricanes, and other periods with fewer. These fluctuations are often much greater than what we've seen in our short historical record. For instance, some regions might only see an intense cyclone every few hundred years, but then experience periods where powerful storms are more frequent. Paleotempestologists have also linked these past storm patterns to big climate players. Think El Niño and La Niña. These affect storm activity today, and ancient records show how these relationships have played out over much longer timescales. Sea surface temperatures are another big one. Warmer seas generally fuel stronger storms, and studies have shown connections between warmer Atlantic waters and increased Caribbean hurricane activity long before detailed records began. Even the position of features like the Bermuda High Pressure System or the Intertropical Convergence Zone has been linked to shifts in where and how often storms have occurred in the past. Why is looking so far back important for us now and in the future? Understanding this long-term history helps us assess future risk much more accurately. If we only look at 150 years of data, we might miss the true frequency of very powerful, but rare, storms. Paleotempestology provides a baseline. It also helps us contextualize current trends. Are the storm patterns we're seeing now within the range of natural variability seen over millennia, or are they something new? This is vital for understanding the potential impacts of human-caused climate change. And finally, these ancient storm records can be used to test and improve the climate models that scientists use to simulate past and future storm behavior. The field is always evolving. Researchers are now looking into evidence of compound flooding. That's when storm surge and heavy rainfall combine, and are developing new ways to identify older storms. A big challenge is piecing together many local records to get a regional or even global picture and making sure storm deposits aren't confused with, say, tsunami deposits. In essence, paleotempestology opens a window into Earth's long-term storm history. By understanding how storms behaved in different past climates, we can better anticipate changes in a warming world and improve our preparedness for these powerful natural events. Thanks for listening.